proceed. The sheets.
Okay. So this presentation is going to be about AI digital marketing. That's artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? It's a method in computer science where it is taught to understand and mimic human conversation and human behavior. AI has produced a new intelligent machine which thinks and responds and performs tasks just like human based on the data fed. AI can perform highly technical and specialized tasks such as robotics, speech, and image recognition, also natural language processing and problem solving. One example AI is not on the screen, but I'm just going to say AI is used a lot in literature as well. And if you've heard about how it's mimicked poets and mimicked Shakespeare even and produced something which doesn't exist, and it's quite interesting. Okay. What's so great about AI? It is focused on greater precision and accounts for more accuracy and very few errors, which means greater work efficiency. AI analyzes more and deeper data for valuable insights. It can nurture capabilities of various devices with its algorithms. So we have GPS trackers, voice assistants, and home automation systems are just a few examples. So you have your Alexa, you have your Siris, you have your Google Maps, you have um, devices like Apple Home and all that stuff. So AI can easily adapt to new input through progressive learning algorithms. I don't know if you've noticed, well, for me anyway, I walk quite slow, and my Google Maps and my Apple Maps have seen how slow I walk and adapted my journey time to, so someone else might be 20 minutes, but it's going to take me 30 minutes to get to the destination. Um, the way Spotify curates its music, the way Netflix sees what you like, um, depending on what you've watched before. These are all really good examples of how great AI is in our lives. Okay, so how is it used to do today? It used to help understand your audience better. And so when that person mute microphone, it's a bit distracting. Okay, thank you. AI can analyze data to easily predict the buying behaviors and decisions of your target customers, and also improve user experience to provide the audience what they actually need. It's more effective marketing, data-driven analysis. Navigate more effective marketing. Who is that? Marketing strategy for the business. Sorry, I'm gonna need that question. Thank you. Oh, crap. Yeah. Increase from productivity. So using AI can automate a number of repetitive tasks, and this can help you increase productivity. You can also increase your return on investments. So AI empowers decision making and also helps you create better performing content. Implementing AI in digital marketing strategies will help you reach out to the right target audience. And this is all important. So as much as it's important to reach many people, it's also important to reach your exact target audience. Um, I think the one that stands out the most is obviously tailoring your content to match your target audience. And this is all data driven and this is all automated. And this can help AI can help with such things as this and to improve user experience as well. So this is how it's used in digital marketing. Generating content. Machines can now create content from scratch based on data fed to them. These can be very helpful in saving time and resources. AI can write reports and news based on data and information. If you go on the website, Write This For Me, you can actually put a description of what you want in a few words, and it will write a paragraph, 2 paragraphs of essay for you. And this is all AI based. It's not perfect, but it's very close to perfect. Product recommendation and content curation. Artificial intelligence can rightfully understand the behavior of the target audience and find the right products and services that you're already looking at. So I gave the example of Netflix before, recommending movies and shows that you might like. It. Half the time you do like them. Amazon, if I've bought something off Amazon, they will recommend similar things or things that go with. That's if I order, like recently I ordered lashes, and the next thing that came up was lash glue. And that's just like a way to generate user-friendly experience. The use of AI chatbots, they can serve clients 24/7 and retain their data for future use. Web design, without the help of a programmer or a designer, you can still have your website through the use of grid that makes artificial intelligence do the work for you based on information provided. Like images, text, call to actions, they can make the website look professional in much less time and at an affordable price. Obviously, we have WordPress and Wix for that. Love using Wix. It's a very user-friendly experience, and that's thanks to AI. You have predictive analysis. Artificial intelligence uses data to make probable future predictions. This might be like the most important thing when it comes to marketing, obviously on a larger scale, what's going to be the next trend and how to jump on it before it passes. Continuing that, we have digital advertising. This is to ensure like maximum success. It's used in Facebook, Google, Instagram to provide the best possible experience. It analyzes gender, age, interests to show them the relevant ads. With the help of AI, you can spot micro trends and predict the trends. And that really just makes it a lot less likely to waste resources. I think that's an important part of this. Online searches on Google, you can see when you search stuff up, it's usually what you searched that comes up in your ads. So I remember shopping for a bag for my mum. I searched for a blue Chanel bag, and what came up next was literally in my ads and my Amazon ads on my phone, on my laptop. What came up were bags similar to the ones I searched up, and shoes to match even. And this also ties into voice searches, the Google algorithm, Amazon Echo, Apple Siri, and so on. Email marketing as well, analyzes consumer behavior and preferences. This is really cool when it comes to targeting and tailoring content to your target audience. My conclusion. So artificial intelligence in technology is incredible and it can work wonders for your brand. Using AI in digital marketing strategies will help brands deliver improved customer experience and market a brand more effectively. AI in digital marketing can also change the way we build websites and interact with customers. That's it. That's all for me. Thank you for listening. Does anybody have any questions? I wasn't showing my face the whole time. Sorry. Hi. Does anyone have any questions?
Okay. Does anybody have a question? When you may want to ask somebody a question, just go through assistant, mention those things.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So I can ask people questions then.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Has anybody has an personal experience with AI when it comes to shopping online or Google searches? So can anyone give me an instance where you're like, oh wow, my computer really knows what I want? Let me pick on someone who's here. Olawale. Hi. No. Can anyone answer that question?
Please, what do you say? Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, I
Or
said,
do you want
can anyone give me an instance where artificial intelligence has affected like their search history or like their shopping experience or anything online? Those.
Can I try?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. I noticed that maybe if I should get something, let me say if I should get like let me say a top from a clothes store, I start seeing different suggestions of other clothes stores.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Thank you. I think even on Instagram feeds, like your Instagram and Twitter feeds, you do end up being in a bubble, especially Twitter. You think you think your political opinion is the same for everybody, but that's usually not the case. Yeah. Where is, okay, I don't know what just happened. My video. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, as well as Instagram feed.
Hello.
Hello?
Please, can you just repeat the question?
Oh yeah, so I'm asking people to tell me instances where AI has affected their user experience online. So I think someone gave the example of shopping for tops, and you get more suggestions of clothes on your feed similar to what you shopped for.
Artificial intelligence technology that can work wonders for the ground. So, also is give a website and interact with customers.
Yeah.
Fine. Got your question.
Cool. Thank you. Anybody else have anything to say about that?
William. Where am I there?
Yes, I can hear you.
I hope you got my direct message.
Pardon?
Did you get my direct message?
Okay, well, I'm wearing a dress, so thank you for that.
Okay. If we're done, let's see the next. Patrick, how you hear me? Is it there? Patrick. How you hear me, Patrick? I think this is the third time you've been absent. All right. Take this on.
I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for that presentation. Patrick.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Patrick. Not you. I'm talking about Bingo.
Okay, not my Patrick. Okay, no, thank you.
Ben, if you have any more to sheets, can you just so we just while we time. Yeah, who is that? Okay, William, can you hear me?
Morning. Is it that the place is silent or is my network?
Okay, the next presenter is not around, and I'm using this opportunity to take the attendance. Please wait for like 5 minutes. Samuel,
Good one.
sorry. Yeah, you came to
I was on the road, that's why. Sorry.
what did you say? I got you.
I was on the road. I just got settled in. I just got to the office now.
What time were you supposed to leave?
Hello?
What time were you supposed to resume?
9?
All right. Okay. I heard you. By now, I want to end the session. Since the second presenter is not enough. Instead of keeping everyone, just continue your personal development. All right. Have a good day.